Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome to RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. That is always our goal. Well, today I'm going to tell you why I quit my eBay store and what I am doing and how this is all going to work. Because I'm still going to sell, but there's a lot of things you should know. First, maybe that we've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. Almost since it first started, the first thing I sold was a Nintendo tape, and I got 77 cents for it, and I was happy. We also sell on Mercari, we also sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. We believe in selling in a lot of formats. Now you stay with us. I am going to talk to you about why I quit my store and what I plan on doing, and maybe you want to think about it. Stay with us. So, you heard I quit my store, huh? Well, first I want to show you I'm not Donald, but I got this cool Disney shirt that I am selling online. I absolutely love it. Let's take a look at the back. Very cool shirt. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I love Disney. And I want you to also subscribe to my channel, RockinRobin 103, which does a lot of Disney. But let's talk about the eBay store. All that stuff's nonsense. Okay, so I've had an eBay store, and I had, like, I could list 10,000 items, I forget. But I have been finding as of late that by the end of the month, I haven't even been able to pay for the store. I'm paying extra fees, I'm paying this, I'm paying that. And next thing you know, I'm not making enough money. Now, I decided to quit the store, and, I'm going to miss it. I'm going to miss that I can have specials and sales and a lot of different things that I can do. But I need to save some money. Times are getting tough. People are not buying. Now, you saw that I also sell on Mercari. I also sell on Poshmark. Now, when I first started, I sold a lot of hard goods and video games and things like that. Now, I sell a lot of clothes. And because I sell a lot of clothes, Poshmark actually does better for me than eBay. So, and in Poshmark, I can list as many items as I want. And Mercari has been doing better than eBay for the other hard goods. I've sold some clothes on them. But I'm still going to keep my 3 accounts. Now, I have one for me, my partner in crime has her own, and we have one for work. So I can list on any one of those 3 accounts. And you can get up to 250 free listings on each of the accounts. If I list an extra 1 or 2, it costs me another 50 cents or so. I'm not really worried about it. But, eBay is constantly charging me more. There's constantly issues. Every time I go to eBay, you didn't meet the high format, therefore we're taking more money from you. A customer returns something and they're always right, I'm always wrong. I don't have these issues with the other 2. Once in a blue, somebody will get something on Poshmark or Mercari and want to return it for some reason or another, but not like eBay. eBay, it happens too often, and I'm frustrated. I just can't do it anymore. I don't like their process. I know they recently did something where now you can get your payments on a card, like, immediately, but then what happens if somebody wants to return it? I mean, there's just so many different issues, and I just don't like it. I don't trust it. I don't like the way eBay does their business. They need to learn from the other ones and do something better. I feel more comfortable now when I list on Mercari and when I list on Poshmark. I get more sales on them. I can list as much as I want without worrying about it. I make a little less money. eBay, you do make a little bit more money, I believe, than Mercari and Poshmark. You get a better percentage. But it feels so much safer, and I don't have to worry about how many listings I have. It's just, they're better formats, and if eBay changed the format, I might think about going back to getting a store. I personally think that eBay should allow you to do as many listings as you want for free, maybe offer the other things in the store, with the sales and some of the cool things they offer, but they need to change some things. I mean, people can only list so much. I just don't like a lot of the stuff that they do. And so I had to quit. After 20 years, I had to stop the store and say, no more, cannot do it. Have to just sell what I sell, and that's it, because I'm doing better on the other formats. If you sell clothes, you need to try Poshmark. Poshmark is doing really well. And Mercari, it's free to list. Yes, they take a bigger percentage at the end, but it's still a sale's a sale, and I sell on all of them. And whatever I can't sell, I sell at the flea market. I try to sell a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace from time to time. So yes, I have quit my eBay store. I'm still going to talk about eBay. I'm still going to talk about all the formats. Everything is going to be the same. I just don't have a store. Well, if you like to listen to stuff about eBay and Mercari and Poshmark and continually learn and get some tips, please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. Give us a big thumbs up and hit the bell, because my goal is always to help you make more money. And I recently met some people from around here that saw my channel, and they were so happy to meet me. And I'm so happy to meet people. So if you see me out there, please stop and say hello. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. What I want you to do now is what I always want. I wanted you to go out there. I want you to buy something good. I want you to put it up on eBay, put it up on Mercari, wherever you sell. And I want you to make yourself some money. See you soon.